This video is not just for people who are thinking about buying property with a mortgage, although it will be useful for them too. But the main goal of this video is to show real-life examples of how this situation works and to discuss how it might affect the market in the future. My name is Iskander and I represent Sunset Sellers. We help people find and purchase real estate in the UAE. This includes helping with mortgage deals as well. If this sounds interesting to you, leave a request and one of our specialists will contact you to help find the best property options. Let's start with a specific example. Imagine a one-bedroom apartment priced at 1 million euros. You can find a lot of good options for this price in different areas of Dubai. And by the way, we can help you with it. If you rent out this apartment, you could earn about 70,000 dirhams per year. Now, let's say you make a 25% down payment, which is 250,000 dirhams, and take a mortgage at 4% interest, that is more than real. Your monthly mortgage payment would be around 4,545 dirhams. At the same time, the rental income would bring in about 5,833 dirhams per month. This means the rental income absolutely covers all your mortgage payments and leaves you with 1,288 dirhams in extra profit every month. Can you imagine? That's a 3.6% return per year on your 250,000 dirham investment. At first, this might not seem like a very high return, but remember, the value of the apartment is being paid off through the rent. This kind of situation is extremely rare in the global real estate market. I don't think there is any other market in the world right now that offers the same combination of benefits as Dubai. If you don't agree, you can leave a comment and I will discuss it with you with pleasure. So, why is the Dubai real estate market so attractive? First, Dubai has a growing and stable economy. Second, the market is well regulated by the government. They manage the market carefully, balancing it without interfering with natural market forces. This kind of regulation is very rare and very effective. Because of this, many expats and companies move to Dubai every year. Since a lot of people come here for a short time, they prefer to rent instead of buying. This has caused the rental market to grow even faster than the sales market in recent years. Now let's compare Dubai with other markets. In developed countries like Switzerland, Denmark, and Netherlands or Japan, mortgage rates are very low and they can be even lower than UAE, like around 1–2% annually. But rental returns in these countries rarely go above 3, maybe 3.5% maximum. These markets are good for conservative investors, but high taxes make them less appealing. On the other hand, there are markets with high rental returns, like Mexico, Colombia, the Philippines, or Thailand. But in these countries, mortgages are either not available or have very high interest rates. For example, in Thailand, foreign ownership is limited and non-residents can't usually get mortgages. Dubai is unique because it combines relatively low mortgages rate with high rental returns. This makes it one of the most attractive real estate markets in the world. History shows that low mortgage rates and high demand for housing often lead to fast price growth. Let's look at a few key examples. In the USA, during the early 2000s, mortgage rates dropped to 5–6%. This caused property prices to rise by over 60% in just 6 years. However, the overheated market crashed during the 2008 financial crisis. In Dubai, the market is more controlled, which helps reduce the risk of such events. In Hong Kong, during the 2010s, low mortgage rates of 2, maybe 3%, and strong demand caused property prices to more than double in a very short term. Even with government regulations, the high demand kept the market stable. Dubai is similar, but it also attracts investors with its tax-free system. In Australia, between 2010 and 2017, mortgage rates of 4–5% and migration to major cities caused property prices to rise by 75% in Sydney and 55% in Melbourne. The government stepped in to stabilize the market and avoid a crash. Dubai already uses similar regulations to maintain balance in the market. In Germany, from 2010 to 2020, cities like Berlin saw mortgage rates drop to below 2%. Combined with strong population growth, This led to property values doubling over the decade, only one decade. Rental price controls were introduced, but demand remains high because supply is limited. Dubai really has all the conditions for continued growth. Its economy is expanding, the expat population is growing, and the government is carrying out large-scale projects such as infrastructure improvements and green initiatives under the Dubai 2040 Urban Master Plan. The city's population is expected to double, creating even more demand for real estate. Low mortgage rates and high housing demand almost always lead to steady price growth, as we have seen in the historical examples. If you are thinking about investing in real estate in the UAE, leave a request and we will help you find the best option for your goals, whether it's for personal use, rental income, or maybe a sale. Now is the best time to invest. Mortgage rates have dropped and rental prices are still rising. Buying property in Dubai is a reliable and profitable investment. If you are exploring this opportunity, please contact us. We will guide you through the process, explain all your options, and help you to find the perfect property. This is Iskander, Sunset Sellers. See you.